Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. B. Nagarjuna, Associate Professor, Sri Vidyaniketan Institute of Management, Tirupati. At the outset, I have been asked by the coordinators of this NPTEL program to give feedback on the ongoing NPTEL examinations, January-December 2020 session. You can observe here, right, what to call the flow of the students. Right this moment they have completed the examination and they are leaving the examination hall. So this clearly shows that how much what to call interested are the students to undergo these courses, particularly because it is very rare opportunity for people to get into IITs, what to call in the prestigious Indian Institute of Technologies and get certification from them. So for those who have missed the opportunity of studying in IITs, these NPTEL programs will be a very good platform to pursue the courses and get the certifications from IITs. That is one what to call great advantage which I personally feel, because we are deprived of studying in Indian Institute of Technology for various reasons. The second thing is these programs which have been actively what to call initiated by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India across the country have been definitely, they have designed the course in such a way to meet the industry needs, because unfortunately what is happening in most of the institutes in our what to call curriculum is we are not able to match the academics with the industry, which is very much important. What we study is something different, what industry requires is something different. So these NPTEL programs are the course structure, the syllabus, the videos, the lecture, what to call lectures delivered by the expert professors are in such a way keeping in view what the industry right now is demanding. So definitely people along with the certifications what they get from prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, definitely they will be in a position to grab the various opportunities in various contemporary developments that are taking place in the industry, like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, and different disciplines, right, not related to specific area, because as you know, right, the 2021 session of NPTEL is already announced, which is going to start in January 2021. 500 plus courses are being introduced in the 2021 session, covering the various disciplines, meeting the requirements of industry and also the interests of various students pursuing different courses in different streams. So personally, if it comes to me, right, specifically, I have completed so far 9 what to call courses in NPTEL so far in the completed sessions in 2018 and 19, and I feel proud to say that I have enrolled for 10 courses this time, right, in 2020, because in January April session I have enrolled for 4 courses, and July December session I have enrolled for 6 courses, and because of this COVID-19 and the lockdown that happened in the country, the what to call examination that were supposed to be conducted in May 2020 were postponed, and all the 10 courses what to call I am prepared to attend in this 5 days, right, from 17th of this month I have been attending. This is the 3rd day, and this is the 5th course, 5th exam which I have written. Again in the afternoon I have to come and I have to take one more examination. Tomorrow 2 more examinations, and Monday 21st December I am expected to take remote proctored examinations, in spite of, because I am already what to call 45 what to call years, and I am working in a very good position in a reputed institute also, and I am a doctorate holder also, but still I am very much passionate to take up these courses just like young students seen here, because age is not a factor for learning, right, because a lot of changes are taking place in the what to call industry, and I am basically from management background, basically an engineer, with a BTech in Civil Engineering, MBA from Bangalore University, and a PhD from Sri Venkateswara University, with over 2 decades of experience in teaching. Right now I am working at Sri Vidyaniketan Institute of Management, Tirupati, run by prestigious veteran what to call actor Dr. Padma Shri Dr. Mohan Babu Garu. And with all his blessings, I was permitted to what to call attend all these examinations, and I am successfully able to handle all the examinations, and I am very happy that NPTEL is really helping me both professionally and also in gaining knowledge. I wish great success for the NPTEL coordinators in the coming days also, and come out with all new courses that will really help the students to meet the industry needs. Thank you very much.